Imran Khan's PTI party. Ouais Jhakड़ now joining us live here on RT International, and a very warm welcome to you today. So it's great to have you on this program. We are seeing that the party you represent is contesting the electoral results. What will be your next move, basically, given that the most prominent figure, the most popular man in your country, Imran Khan, remains behind bars?
Thank you very much for having me on your show. First of all, I would like to thank you all for giving me the opportunity to represent my party, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, and to raise the voice of my leader, Imran Khan, on your media. The question is, the answer to your question is that they sabotaged the whole campaign of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf. It was totally pre-poll rigging. The interim government, suppose you one thing, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf has gained about 180 seats for the federal government. But today the figure that we are given after the results is 100. And on the election night, people won the election, and overnight the results of those constituencies were changed. And in the morning, they came to know that they have lost the election. So the whole interim setup, they have sabotaged the whole system. And after all these conditions, people are protesting. Even the winning candidates are now given option choices.
But Ouais, these are big statements. I apologize for interrupting you, Ouais, but these are very strong statements you're saying here on international television.
Yes.
So forgive me for asking you, do you have any evidence that the elections were rigged, or as you say, sabotaged?
People of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf are strongly condemning against the interim setup. They sabotaged the whole system, the whole election. Even on the election day, the internet service, the mobile service was jammed. Even waving the flag of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, it was like you were waving the AK-47. And also, the candidates of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf were given 15 to 20 days to run their campaign. On the other hand, our opponent, they were given more than 6 months to run their campaign. So after all these atrocities, after all these restrictions, people have voted Imran Khan.